I'm going to start by showing you the electron configuration for nitrogen. It has an atomic number of 7, so it has 7 electrons. To write the electron configuration, we can follow the order that I have listed at the top. We always start with the 1s block. Now the 1s block, as I showed you in class, is where hydrogen and helium are. It's the first energy level in the s orbital. Our element nitrogen is not in the 1s block, so we write 1s2. The s block can hold 2 electrons. Now we're at the 2s block. That's where lithium and beryllium are, second energy level s orbital. So we write 2s2 because our element nitrogen is not in the 2s block. After 2s, we're in the 2p block. The 2p block starts with boron, so we're at the second energy level, the p block. And our element is there. Our element is the third one in the 2p block. So we've written our electron configuration for nitrogen. The way you check is you go back and you add up the little 3, the little 2, the little 2, and that makes 7. So we have now written the electron configuration for 7 electrons, which represents nitrogen. Now the electron configuration for iron is a bit longer because it has 26 electrons to put in place. So we start with 1s again, so we're at 1s2, because iron is not in the 1s block. We write 2s2, iron is not in the 2p block, 2s block, sorry. We go to the 2p block, iron is not in the 2b block, so we write 2p6. The p energy level always has 6 electrons. Then we go to the 3s block, iron is not there, so we write 3s2. 3p is next. 3p starts with aluminum, our element is not there. Then we go to 4s2, our element is not there. And finally, we're at the 3d block. Our element is in the 3d block. It's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th element in. So we're at 3d6. Normally you'd write it all in one line, but I ran out of room there. So you want to always double check that you did it right by adding up all the little electrons. Sure enough, those add up to 26, so that's iron. Now there is a shortcut. The shortcut uses the noble gases. So if you find iron on the periodic table and kind of go backwards, you see that we hit the noble gas argon. So the shortcut for writing iron's electron configuration is to write argon, Ar, in brackets, and then 4s2, because that's the energy level that comes right after argon, and then 3d6. The shortcut is nice, it saves you a little bit of time, but it can also sometimes be confusing. But practice makes perfect. Good luck.